Cara Di Falco from Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. My special guest today is Beth Nydick, co-author of Clean Cocktails, and we are at the bar and kitchen at Vanilla Moore in Montclair. She's going to show us a great cocktail today. What are we making?
Today we're going to make our St. Patrick's Day cocktail.
Yes!
And it's basil based.
Oh, I love that.
Basil has amazing flavonoids and antivirals and antibacterial
Yes.
in it naturally, so you're actually doing something good for your body while you're making yourself
Which is what I love about clean cocktails. And obvious and green, so we're in the spirit as well.
Right, so this is a lemon basil cocktail. So first I want to tell you what the ingredients are.
Yes.
Get some lemon zest, some gin, some basil syrup, and fresh lemon juice. We're garnishing with lemon and fresh basil, of course.
Okay.
And the basil syrup is one of those things that I always have in the fridge. I always make ice cubes in the freezer for them.
Yes.
So it's literally like a cup of honey, a cup of water, and a whole thing of basil, like whatever you get from the supermarket.
Yeah,
Put it
yeah.
in there, let it go in the Vitamix because I do love my Vitamix. and then you have basil syrup. So I make it into cubes. So when I'm going to make a drink, I just take 2 cubes out and put them in with the
Toss them in.
Yeah, toss them in and strain. So this is defrosted. This is basil syrup. Look at the beautiful color.
Yeah,
We're
absolutely.
going to put some ice into the shaker. And we're going to add lemon, grape lemon, fresh lemon. This basil syrup is so good. You're going to taste it. It's so bright. You feel so much of the flavor from it. Nice. Gin. Here we go. And a little bit of lemon zest.
I love it.
We
Beautiful.
zested this morning. So we're going to shake that up. And this one is a little bit of a seltzer topper.
Okay.
We're going to shake that up. Wait till you see the color of this one. You're going to love it. That's one. Pour it over. And remember, you have the basil and lemon also in the glass just to give it that extra smell.
Yeah.
When you actually taste it.
Beautiful.
It's a great color. It's not one of those colors that are going to turn you off.
Yeah.
So we're going to...
Yeah, because sometimes when people dye things green for St. Pat's, I'm a little
It doesn't always
concerned.
work.
It doesn't always like,
Exactly.
you know, there we go. I love the
This
whole,
is called-
green eggs and ham thing.
It's called Spring Awakening. So it's
Ooh.
very light.
Oh, so it's perfect for this time of year
Exactly.
then, too.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salute. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah. St. Pat would be proud. Exactly. You can have a couple.
There you go. Absolutely. Beth, thank you so much for sharing this cocktail with us. I really appreciate it, guys. Of course, the recipe is at caradifalco.com. I'll also link you up with Beth and her book at the link below, and this recipe as well. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll see you guys. Cheers.